This is my haircut.
Then out the blue, her brother-in-law died. No life insurance. Ned got the message, but didn't know where to start. The customer said, call Select Sport Insurance.
Say hi, Mommy. See my pretty haircut?
Life companies they represent and save you plenty. Ned called Select Sport and discovered he could afford
Here's
more
my
insurance than he
haircut.
thought. A $500,000 policy.
Man, I did a great job this time because somebody let me cut it like a big boy's haircut. Yeah.
Go to selectsport.com. We shop.
Hey.
Save.
Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mommy. Say I love you. I love you. From the front. Let me see you. There he is.